beach.
I'm back at it again.
And it's 6:20 something. I don't know if you can picture me. You ready? 3, 2, 1. There. Okay, so no, I'm okay. So we're here at Newport Beach.
Guys, was it cute?
And we've been here for 2 hours. And I just decided to vlog when I'm already out of the beach. And just, oh my gosh, I told you! Ew! Mascara! Ew! And like I said, it's 6:27.
It's 6:27.
And it is so cold.
It's not that cold, it's just, I
Windy.
can actually feel the heat.
It's windy.
You feel
And
the heat?
I'm so burnt.
July kind of got uglier. I'm kidding.
I kinda did.
Beautiful.
And Jay's sleeping over, as always. Every vlog, you sleep over. It's so crazy. Except for my birthday vlog, which was the worst day of my life. Daisy made it the worst day of my birthday. You did! Remember what you did to me?
No.
Okay, whatever. She's mad, so she's gonna have to learn to get over it. But anyway, we are here at the beach, and it is so nice and super windy. And by power, Spirit God, send your Spirit God. I feel so embarrassed taking my towel off.
Gee.
Guys, check out those people over there. They're all dressed in white.
Know that you have to keep your,
It's pretty cool.
it's not supposed to be like this.
But anyway, we came with Daisy, Paco, my dad, and my cousin, which is like my big brother, and my little sister. Not little sister. But anyway, as you guys know, every vlog, guys, like, Ew, Daisy! But anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what else you guys want to see. So basically, Daisy came over after school. Then, after that, we went to the beach. Yes, she needs help.
Like a little chicken!
And then after that, we got pizza. And then we got pizza, and I think that's why she's crazy.
I ate like 10, dude.
Yeah, she did eat like 10 slices. And then we came here, and now we've been here for a long time. Guys, there's like a group of people in white.
They're taking a photo shoot.
Oh, I'm
Weird
sorry.
if you've been here.
Oh my gosh, Daisy, you look so chic. Oh my gosh. Oh, ho, ho, ho. You are the fire. Okay, we don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, I do. I'm having fun.
Wait, Daisy, pretend you're grabbing the pier. What even? What are those? What are those? Oh my god. Daisy, pretend you're grabbing the pier. Like, put your hand.
How do you even do that? You look like it's mine.
And lower. Low. Right there. No. A little tiny bit lower. A tiny bit lower. Right there, people! It's gone!
Here, take a picture of me like this. Like I'm holding the tree.
You need to go a little bit more more center, more right there!
Did you take it?
Yeah, I did.
Let me see.
Wait, okay. What are they doing? What the heck? Sorry, the camera quality is so bad. Because this is really old. Now watch me whip. Watch me, nay nay.
No,
Now watch me whip. What?
Watch me. Wait.
Wait.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Watch me, guys. Watch me.
You heard. Go on the other side. Oh. Damn, Slate.
Now watch me whip. Watch me, wait. Watch me.
You suck. No, I'm just joking. Aw, it's okay. No. It's okay. It's okay. Guys, you need to tell her it's okay. You didn't make me feel okay. Paquito! You want a shout out in my video?
Coming out of Yes, sir.
Let me see. I want to see.
Hey guys, so I just showed them the clip of the video when they were squatting. Or what do you call that? This squatting.
10 more, Paco.
Paco, shut up.
What position?
Ah! And you guys, it's getting darker. Okay. We're going to the pier. You guys, I feel so uncomfortable with these sports bra on. I had a shirt on right now. Like, I was completely dressed. But they got dirt all over my shirt and the water is freezing cold. So I couldn't go in it. And I'm kind of sick.
Dirt all over my shirt. Look at, they're doing more.
What happened? They're so embarrassed. And you guys, I'm so burned. I'm so cold. And I'm Nene.
Are you gonna post this on YouTube?
Of course.
Yay! You never post any of this stuff. I searched up Susanna. I searched up your YouTube channel. And
All of the vlogs we ever made are posted.
really?
Yeah.
Can we look at them tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you guys, we're gonna look at all of the videos tonight because I haven't seen like any. So please, like next time, hit me up on Instagram at Daisy Almarone.
Yeah.
Or
Actually,
Daisy 2005 spam, but don't even like request that. 'Cause
Okay,
I'm not gonna accept you.
I'm
I don't
gonna
like you.
wait. I'm gonna put
That's
her
not how it works.
Instagram on the screen right now. So
You are
follow her. Yes. Follow her right here.
right there, right
Yep.
there.
It's gonna be linked right there.
It better be right there.
No, it will.
It won't. It will be weird
will.
if you didn't do it.
I will.
I do look
So-
like trash though.
We both look like
I
trash.
usually look cuter. You look
I-
cute. You
you're
know
so
I don't. Beautiful. She's way prettier than me.
She is way prettier.
You're times 3 of that. Times infinity and beyond.
Times the universe.
Mine was bigger. No, mine is infinity. That's
Mine's
more.
heaven. Oh!
Mine is bigger than heaven.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna get dressed. Wait, should we do the like a snap? Like the snap? Like, should we do it? Where like it snaps?
Daisy.
Yeah, no. Okay, so we're gonna get dressed on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, no, that's not how it works.
Take it back to me. I'm gonna fight you, Daddy. Here, wait, let me vlog.
Hi guys, so we are changed.
Look how trashy I look.
Look how trashy we both look. We look like hobos.
Literally look like a homeless. Like I look like a homeless little boy.
But anyway, we are now walking the pier.
Look at it. Look at how ugly the sweater is. And then
That's my
and then
sweater.
Yuke it. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, Yuke it.
Alright guys, so right now it is 6:56. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Limon.
But it's getting dark and we're going down the pier. We were about to just go up the pier, but my dad says that it's really cold up there. And honestly, me and Daisy are super cold to go up there, so.
And we look like 2 little homeless boys.
Yes!
I mean, me at least, because her beautifulness can't handle this ugly.
You guys, she is wonderfully beautiful. There's not words to express how beautiful she is.
Like, yeah, I'm speechless on. I can't even say the word that you are because it's so undescribable.
She's
What?
got a whole bunch of those.
Pacific mackerel.
Yeah, those are.
Copper rock.
Our cousin just got a bunch of those, so good for
Jack
him.
smell.
You guys, we traded cardigans. I'm wearing hers. It's very thin, but it's fine.
Look at our feet.
Our feet are disgusting. We look so gross. Guys, I promise my toes are beautiful.
No, they're not. They look like peanuts.
Hers look like thumbs. Literally,
They
like, no, they look like a lot of these.
Hers look like a lot of these. Or no, a lot
No,
of
they
these. Look
don't.
like a bunch of these.
No, they
Yes,
do not.
do.
Guys,
Yes,
look
they
at
do.
how nice it is here.
It's not that nice. You're over-exaggerating it.
I don't know. I have to give you guys the time. It is 6:59 now. And we're going down the pier and walking around.
Where did they
Newport
go? Oh, they're up there.
There's that familia. We don't know them, right? Oh, I just hurt myself. Boardwalk Sport. Oh, I keep stepping on something. Boardwalk Sports, Charlie's Chili. That sounds like the Chum Bucket. And my dad's going into Boardwalk Sports. Let's check it out, you guys. It's the first time I ever go. It's the first time I ever go into a store from a beach. Like literally, it's yeah. Whoa. Oh my gosh! Look at all the souvenir. What are these? Oh, these are to make. No, they're to make your what's it called, fishing net thingy.
Yeah, that's why it's fish.
No, to go down. To sink down. Don't burp. Don't do it. Check out these hats. I'm pretty sure you don't look that bad in a hat. It's I look like a boy now.
You're such a copycatter.
Guys, check out these coconuts.
Check out mine.
Oh, head out. He's just playing around, you guys. At least I think so, because oh my, I'm so burnt. I want one of these. It's a floaty and a surfboard.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
We look.
I look like a crackhead.
I look worse. I look like a broken coconut.
I am a broken coconut.
I literally am.
You literally said you look like one. I said I am one, and now you're just like twisting my words.
Guys, Daisy is crazy, but she's my crazy. So. Whoa, look at these glasses. They look. Oh, they're all men's glasses. At least I think. These are actually not that bad. Oh.
Okay. They have those that in my nose. Yeah, stop moving your body like that. She's moving her body. I thought I took your hair off.
Anyway, so we just, you know what? Those glasses look nice, but they don't look nice on me. So, dulce.
Dulce.
Se dice dulce, no dulce. Dulce. Dulce como una mexicana, no americana. Check it out, guys. Don't know what that it's for, but it's a lot of paper. Newport Beach. You guys, I have no idea what she's doing. I'm filling it out. You're gonna get in trouble. You're not. I found the woman's sunglasses. Look at these, you guys. And like I said, I'm sorry about my bad camera quality, because I am right now using my mom's phone because my other equipment died. So check. Oh my gosh, Daisy, look at these glasses. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, I look so pretty when I am across from your glasses. But in real, wait, actually, can you see me through it?
Yeah, I could. It's weird.
Can you see me like in the vlog?
Oh my god, you're sticking your tongue out. That is so cool. I love these glasses. I actually think I'm gonna buy them. Not. How much are they actually? You're so annoying. You don't have money? Yeah, but my parents do.
Not for you.
Yeah, no, they're $25. I don't have time for that. But those glasses are really cute. They're really cute. Shout out to the store.
I filled it out.
Oh my gosh.
So proud of yourself. Don't find me at.
No.
Hey, where does your dad go?
Oh, I think he left. Let's go. Nuts. It's a Little Mermaid.
Hi, Rose.
This is my mom.
There's not a lot of.
And Paco. Oh my goodness, I'm sitting down. Thank you, God.
Oh, it feels so good to sit down.
I know. When you're barefoot, definitely. All right, you guys. So we were just talking about how life is and how.
I'm gonna do my hair and then we're gonna look way better. You gotta do your hair too.
My
Okay,
hair's
we'll be
a
back right now.
No.
Yeah,
don't. So we're gonna fix our hair right now. Even though mine, I can't fix it because like it's really bad. But Daisy's gonna fix her hair. Ooh. This is a before, and this is the after. Obviously, I didn't do anything to my hair because it looks exactly the same. But Daisy did the cute messy bun. It's not actually messy, like it's cute. I don't know, it's called messy buns. But anyway, today has been so much fun. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's a little kid playing the accordion for money. It's about to give us $1 for the little kid that's playing for tips, which is so cute. Aww. You guys, look at this little kid. He's playing. Here you go. Keep on going. That is nice to see kids trying to make money. Maybe when their parents can't provide it, but they really are doing it. Learn from that little boy.
Look like trash 101.
Learn from that little boy. So they're actually, I think, a homeless family. There's a guy on a bicycle, a mom with like ripped up clothes. That guy looks really, really tore up. That is so sad. But I mean, they're trying, so that's all it takes.
God
to try.
bless them.
God bless them. Like,
God bless
they
them.
are actually trying.
His bad vibes. They followed. I'm kidding.
They followed. But yeah, you guys learn from that. Would you guys like some money too? No, just kidding. You guys, the little kid is gonna go buy something now with the money that he got. Aww, that's so cute.
Like a candy bar.
He's probably gonna buy candy. Yeah, you're right. But his pants are all ripped up, and it's so sad. But anyway, it is now 7-Eleven. What? They should like give us free Slurpees at 7-Eleven. Right? Right? No, anyway, we're still here and we're waiting for my cousin, which he's at the pier over there
He bought candy.
fishing. He bought candy. Well, at least he bought something. Not useful, but I mean, if he makes it happy, then it's a-okay. But anyway, I am running out of words. So I'll update you later, because yeah, like I said, I don't have any words. What? What?
He was cracking my toes.
Oh! My daddy. Oh! My dad used to do that to me all the time. And it's painful. Trust me, I know what I'm saying. It's painful. It's so bad.
He did it to me once.
No, not to you. No. No, please. No. Daisy, no.
Do it.
Daisy, no. No! Ah! Oh. You guys, it's painful. Hey, stop, that hurt. You guys. I'm not over exaggerating. That is so painful. And then when your toes are wet and sandy, oh, that was so painful. Tell us, how painful was that?
Like on what? Like on a scale?
Ew, like on a scale of 1 through 10.
I don't know, sis.
Ugh. Guys, my dad did that to both of us, and it was so painful. Oh, my toes hurt. Not only do my feet hurt for walking barefoot on like bare cement that has trash on. Oh, I think I have it. But he just cracked our toes, and it freaking hurt. You heard that? I am in pain. So much pain. Alright, you guys, this is going to be my last update here at the beach. So I'll probably update you guys when we're either on our way or when we're home and like ready to sleep. But it's 7:14 that I'm last updating you here at.
Let me see. I redid my hair. Does it look fine?
Yeah! Yeah, it looks fine. But anyway, this is the last update here at Newport Beach. I'm gonna miss you, beach, so much. I had such a great time here with Daisy, my cousins. But I will see you guys later. And like I said, it is
Make it
7:14. So, yeah, we'll basically update y'all later.
Dude, I hate these girls.
Good morning, everyone. We started off with a rough day. I just saw the life of a goat be taken away.
She recorded it.
I recorded and saw it, and it was the saddest thing ever.
That was disgusting.
It was the saddest thing ever. It's literally laying over there. It is dead, and I just saw them kill it. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to show it. Oh my gosh. It is 11:17. Me and Daisy got up at 10. Right now we are painting. And
Wait, July, come.
hold on, let me just say some stuff. Hold up. And
July was laughing.
I was not laughing. Why would I be laughing?
It's like you were laughing at me.
I was choking up, like not choking up of tears, but like just how disgusted and like crazy it was. But yesterday we got home from the beach. We went to In-N-Out, which I didn't vlog because the phone died too. And then we went home. I'm still kind of disgusted of what I just saw. So she slept over, which was really fun. And we woke up, had breakfast, and now we're painting. And Daisy could take it from here.
So I don't even want to go over there because I wasn't watching. Oh my gosh, their birds scare me so much. Okay, I haven't seen it yet. I'm not gonna because I feel like it's not right. So I'm not gonna see it.
Sit here, do not go ahead.
I haven't seen it because Delilah was like,
Oh my
I was sitting right there, and Delilah was like, I'll show you.
What are you doing?
How do you like flip it?
Flip it? Okay. So I'll do that right now. So I was sitting right over there. She was sitting
No,
right
I was sitting over there,
Yeah.
and it's kind of like blocking the vision of the cow. I meant, oh my gosh.
You saw it? Oh my god!
I saw the blood.
You guys, you have no idea how devastating it is. Literally, I felt so bad for it because he was crying.
Yeah, her grandpa was just sitting on top of it, trying to cut it off his head.
Yeah, because the knife wasn't breaking, so... And they're watching the
And then Mias just looked like this the
video
whole
clip.
time.
I know, he was like...
I was looking at his face the whole time. I was trying to paint, but I kept hearing like... It's disgusting. But yeah, anyway... I'm going to start coming out in all of her vlogs.
So, as you can see by the title of this vlog, there's going to be a huge announcement. So, we are changing up this channel. This is officially going to be our new vlog channel. This is not just going to be my channel, it's going to be our vlog channel. So, basically what we're going to do is, she doesn't live with me, of course, but she could vlog at home by herself or whatever she wants, and she could just...
I hang out with you a lot. I hang out with Delilah a lot.
like a lot. That's how like really close we are.
Delilah!
There's a bean or soda. But anyway, we're really sunburned. I don't know if you can tell that I'm super sunburned, but you guys, this is gonna be our vlog channel. It's gonna be really fun, really new. So I'm gonna take off the videos where Daisy doesn't come out because like it is our vlog channel. So yeah, so sorry about that. But anyway, I hope you enjoy our new vlog channel. Starting today, we are starting to post. We're going to start posting more new content and more new videos. Much more edited videos, if that makes any sense. But make sure you go follow Daisy on Instagram. Literally, I already put in her link in the earlier this video. So you guys should go check that part of the video out. But anyway, you guys, I'm still kind of terrified and traumatized of what I just saw.
You're not traumatized.
But like, what? My grandpa's calling us.
You too?
Us. Come on.
Not me.
Yes, you. But you guys. They're about to chop it off more.
Stop showing them.
I'm not showing it. I'm literally just staring at it right now. I don't know if you guys could see all the blood anywhere. You guys, They just lift it up.
So dramatic. Why are you
It's disgusting. Okay, here, I'm gonna pass the vlog to Daisy while I relax. It's unpaused.
Hey guys, I'm back because Delilah's being a little weenie, so I'm gonna hold the camera for a little bit. I'm awesomer than her, so it's okay.
She's vlogging, you guys.
I'm vlogging. This is my first vlogging moment because Delilah always yells at me when I get the camera.
The goat isn't here.
Ugh, I see all the goat blood. Delilah had to video record that. Imagine. Ugh, that's more disgusting. They scare me. Look at them. Look at their evil faces. One of them's naked, no feathers. Let me see. So you guys, this is what I was gonna show you. Okay, so I saw this thing on Instagram. It's really ugly, like super ugly. I can admit it. I'm gonna color all of this black, all of the thing around it. It's gonna be beautiful. This even looks better than my painting, but it's okay. I'll do better. I'll learn every time I come to Delilah's house. If you guys didn't know, me and Delilah are favorite cousins, and we're awesome together.
Oh, isn't she the cutest?
Delilah looks so cute in all of her videos.
No, I do not. I look like a mess.
And she like does her hair, she like flips it, and I look
give me
like
the
trash,
Liga.
but I'm okay with
You guys,
it.
she looks beautiful.
Give me my
I need
Liga
it.
back.
Please, I need it back.
Fine.
Yay.
So I was just telling them how we're favorite cousins and we always hang out. Like when we were little, we never hung out. Like when we were like
Well, actually, when we were little,
through
we
the
used to hang
stages
out.
of like 10 and like 12. We never
Okay,
hung out.
yeah, 10 and 12 we got kind of separated.
I have Asian eyes. Look.
Kind of sucked.
Ooh.
But I mean, the older we got, the more we hung out. You guys, I look so weird in a ponytail.
I do
You
too.
keep vlogging.
No, you don't even need more time to relax.
It's like I'm in a whip in a whip. Alrighty, you guys. So, like I said, it is 11:25 now, and yeah, we're basically now just painting. We're gonna chill and just paint. You guys, my hair has a lot of volume. Yesterday we showered like at midnight. Literally, we're showering at midnight, and I like it because like when I shower in the night, my hair seems to get more volume. So these are my birds.
Oh, and you guys, if you want to see Delilah's song that's so beautiful, ask her, like, comment down below.
Request if you guys want to see the song that I wrote.
It's so beautiful, you guys.
No, it's not. Don't request. But yeah, if you want to see that, go ahead and request. And go tell your friends about this channel so we can get some more subscribers and we could upload more. The more subscribers we get, the more we will upload and more content this channel will become. So yeah, we'll update you guys later. Thank you guys for watching this video anyway. Like, thanks for watching our videos. Like,
Yeah, like, just in general.
yeah, like. Okay, we'll update you guys later. Guys, it's literally been it's literally been like less than a minute since I last updated you guys below. I just want to show you guys what we're painting. So I'm trying to paint like this. It's like a little house. But anyway, we are painting and this is what it looks like. And then look at Daisy's painting. But yeah, we'll update you guys later. Say bye for like this last shot. Hey guys, so right now it's 12:46 and me and Daisy are kind of upset at each other. Well, right now she just threw water all over me and I just threw water all over her. But that doesn't really matter. It wasn't really an argument, but she's bugging right now. But anyway, it's been an hour since I last updated y'all. And which right now Daisy's bugging like
So you guys, Delilah's really bugging me right now. She just like told my mom I couldn't get bangs, and she trimmed my hair, you guys, like
nothing.
less than my eyebrows. And anyway, Delilah's being really mean to me, and it's making me really sad.
Daisy's being a brat right now to me. So
I wet her with water, you
Yeah,
guys.
she
It was
did.
so fun. I'll do it again twice. And she did it back to me, and it hurt. So yeah, anyway, I just cut myself like a small bang, and it's like super ugly. I didn't do Delilah any because she was being lame. What happened? Ooh, look how ooey ooey ooey. I'm too pimply. Delia's being so mean, you guys. I'm mad at her.
Daisy's bugging.
Bugging is my word, you little copycat. But you're being really mean.
You're the one.
She just told my mom I can't get bangs, and it wasn't even her choice. Isn't that a little bit mean, you guys?
I just said because Daisy.
You just said, yeah, you need to rebuke the spirit.
She didn't say that. I didn't say that. Your mom said that.
My mom was gonna let me get bangs, and now Delia changed her mind. You know how hurtful that is? It's very hurtful. Yeah.
Slap her.
Yeah, let's slap her.
Y'all need Let's tickle her. Let's tickle her.
No.
She's gonna regret it if she gets bangs, honestly.
I'm not gonna regret it.
Daisy.
I'm gonna look bomb with bangs.
You know what? I mean, Daisy. Remember? Okay, Delia.
Okay. Oh no, I don't want to do it.
Okay, Delia.
No, okay, Delia.
Okay. Ooh, flex.
Okay, this is lame. Delia, you got boogers on your blanket.
You need to change that. Okay, guys. Woo! So it is 12:58, and we're gonna wrap it up here because we're really not doing anything today.
Oh, you know, your mom, she could come over.
Don't be too loud, my dad's asleep. But anyway, do not forget.
I guess him today.
Oh, but you went back to sleep. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
And do not forget to comment down below what videos you guys want to see. We will see you either
We're gonna
next
make a
week.
list of things we're gonna do for you guys.
Do not forget to subscribe.
We can make an Instagram for this account, for this YouTube.
We might just do that. Do not forget to follow her on her social media. And then I'm going to put that right here in the middle. We'll put it on this pillow right there.
It's Daisy Ella Marone, and there's another one. It's called Daisy 2005 Marone.
Don't forget to go follow her
Daisy
on her
2005
socials.
Spam.
Don't forget to follow her socials. I will see you guys.
I go to a Roble Intermediate School. It's pretty okay. It's okay.
Bye.